Hi there. In this video I want to show you how investing even small amounts of money can grow you real wealth over time. In this experiment, let's see how much you'd have if you invested $365, or the equivalent of $1 a day, in the S&P 500, with an average return of 7%. As you can see, after saving $1 a day for 10 years doesn't seem like a lot, but look at what happens after 45 years. Now, I know what some of you may be thinking, $104,000 won't get you very much in the future. But, I have two things to say to this. Firstly, it's better to have some savings than nothing, and secondly, this is just a starting point. The average American spends $80 on a night out. Let's see how much you'd have if you had one less night out a month and invested it instead. Now you can see that rather than it taking 45 years to hit the first 100K, it's actually just under 31 years, and this time, after 45 years, you'd finish on $283,000. Before I tell you how much you'd need to invest monthly to become a millionaire, if you are liking this video, please take the time to hit like and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. So, here we go to the finale, and as you can see, to be a millionaire within 10 years, by investing monthly, with a 7% annual return, is probably unachievable for most. However, it shows the benefits of starting early, and how investing lower amounts regularly can make you a millionaire. It was these types of calculations that got me into investing, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.